Okay, so we're gonna make some Oden. We're gonna need some konnyaku. Is that what you say? Yeah, konnyaku. Some dashi. Some daikon. We got some frozen fish balls. I'm actually gonna throw in some non-traditional stuff. Just some like, I've got squid nuggets, a bunch of like fish cakes. But I love ginger, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger. Some fish balls as well. There's someone in the house who doesn't like mushrooms, so no mushrooms, but I'm gonna just saute some on the side, some king mushrooms. Oh yeah, and I've got some soy eggs I'm gonna add to it as well. Let's go. What are we gonna do? We're gonna cut this in half like this. We're just gonna cut these into little triangles. So let's cut some daikon. Just gonna cut it into quarters. And these nice little pieces like that. So the full recipe is below, but you want to add in a whole pile of chicken stock, your ginger. You're going to add in some Shaoshan wine, some mirin, some Japanese shoyu, whatever light soy sauce you have, and a couple of big teaspoons of dashi. Then you throw all your other ingredients back in. There goes the daikon. And I just did 1 container each of the frozen fish cakes and fish balls that I got. I also had some of this, you know, the fake crab, so screw it, that goes in there too. And you just let this simmer for like a half an hour and it's done. Does not stop raining. Summer's coming, I can't fucking wait. I love this backyard in the summer. It's just so cool, it's so green. I grow my veggies. The raccoons and squirrels eat them. Tons of herbs end up behind me here. That big movie screen goes up. Oh my God, I love it. I have a tendency to party a little bit. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Not much. Just for garnish, I'm gonna just do some scallions, clean these up a bit. Just a little bit for garnish right at the end. That's it. So that's pretty much it. Just daikon, delicious broth, little fish cakes. Yummy, 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 super healthy. See? Fish balls. Nice. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.